Good evening, sir. I'm about to sign in. Mr. H adds, sorry that we are rushing, sir. It keeps kicking us out. Mr. H at gmail.com. Mr. H 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Oh, that's the incorrect password. It was supposed to be 8, not 9. So welcome to FinQuest. We're signing in now, as we've already created your account, sir. In the previous, trying to shoot the video and then it shut down. So I'm gonna just run you through the app. So far we've actually added an expense of 500 Rand, which went through, and basically this was according to bills. The new features that we've actually added in is the gamification achievements center, so UI. So what we've done is that now, for instance, for every type of achievement that you actually achieve, so you're able to collect badges and actual points, right? And with that being said, you're able to level up in terms of your actual points. So with that being said, we also have a streak section here, so and it is functional and all works, so for so with that being said, our level displays over here, so like the bar graphs and everything, the units of measurements, everything is working as well. We'll see as we navigate throughout the entire app. We have our current challenge, so weekly saver. Currently our next challenge is to actually save 100 Rand. With that being said, so far we're seeing that we've actually met our budget means, which is not being able to spending less than 500 Rand on entertainment. Our weekly saving plan, our daily logger. So far we actually logged an expense, which is the first day out of the 7 days that we've done. And then so far we've stayed in our budget, right? So far we've actually unlocked the 2 badges from just logging in our first expense. With that having been said, we're now gonna navigate back to our main page. And with that being said, we are able to see everything here. Let me quickly go to our reports, right? So far today is a Wednesday. We're seeing that we're able to spend 500 rands. It just has it there, 500 rand on Wednesday. And this, we're able to even edit our goals, setting the minimum and maximums, right? So the minimum we're gonna set, okay, we're gonna leave it, and then the maximum monthly spending, let's keep it at maybe 9,500, and then we're gonna save that, right? So now we're seeing that our spending goals has actually updated, and our maximum goal is actually over here, as we can see. With that being said, our category breakdown is actually currently 100% because of our actual only one expense, right? And this goes towards bills for 500 Rand. Okay, so to show that everything else works, so I'm just quickly not put it in manually. So one of the other features is the AI receipt and scanner / extractor. So I'm gonna pick an image from gallery because I am using the virtual machine, so my actual camera is only picking up from my actual current PC, but not the virtual machine side, so it just stays blank. So what we're gonna do is that we're seeing that here we've actually now pulled in our receipts. So now what we're gonna do is gonna scan to extract the text. As we can see, all of this is gonna be done and just fills in all the details over here. So with that being said, then we're able to actually oh yes, so here we go, we're able to see, and then this would be our expected extracted financial details in order to what, to now use this details in at expense. With that being done, so we see that it's here. So now all we're gonna do is what, we're gonna save our expense, and that successfully saves our expense, right? So in order to show that, let's just navigate back to what, our home page, right? Or even on our analytics, we're seeing that it has updated. So now we're on 546 Rand because what, our actual expense according to the actual receipt was now what, 46 Rand, right? And the great thing is it even picks up the category. So we're seeing that food has now updated to 8%, and previously we had bills at 100%, so now we're at 92% just for the bills and food. So then as we go on, the categories actually start to fill up, and we're able to see that because of the legend, which has the coordinated colors, the percentages. So with that being said, I want us to now go back to our actual achievements, so we're able to see that, you know what, we actually are clocking and we're still actually on budget, right? So now going back to the actual homepage. So we're seeing that this spending by category infographics pie chart type of thing actually still works. Our report is still very much we're able to see for the day, sir, and it works. Weekly, there we go. So today's a Wednesday, and obviously the monthly spending limits as well. So we're gonna speak to the weekly. So today is the Wednesday, sir, where we're able to obviously set our minimum and maximum indicators for our goals. With that being said, now our actual category breakdown has actually also has, what's this thing called, has actually updated as well. So now we're seeing that 48% is actually food, and so far we've actually spent 46 rand. With that being said, so we're gonna go to our goals, right? This is our goals page. So what we're able to do is actually add a milestone. So what we're gonna say, goal title, okay, we're gonna say degree, right? Target, this degree actually costs minimum, oh, let's actually not do that. Let's just say what is this called? Okay, shoes, right? And the target amount, these shoes cost 4,500 rand, and target date, we're just gonna say 06.06/2026. So this would be in 3 days. Already saved, we'll just say we have 1,000 rand saved towards our shoes. Now what we can do is add our actual financial goal, right? With that being seen, we can navigate back to our home page and scroll down. We're actually able to view our financial goal, right? So currently we only have 1,000 rand or 4,500 rand. We're able to also view everything, so going back as a quick access type of thing. With that being said, sorry, to go back down to our recent transactions, we're able to see every single detail, sir. So going back to our financial goals, sorry, we're going to select view all. With that being said, so we actually want to be able to update, right? So we saw that now we actually, our overall progress towards our actual current and one active goal is actually, we are 22% of the way, because we only have 1,000 rand or 4,500 rand. So now with that being said, we can even see here it's 22%. So we're going to go ahead and update our actual amount to read now 4,500 rand. There we go. So now we're gonna save it. With it being saved, we're able to see that, wow, it actually now what? We have completed our goals. We have 0 current active goals because we've actually completed this one, and 100% has been completed. So now the beauty of this as well is that, so when we go to our gamification feature, we're actually able to see that, you know what, we've earned ourselves another badge. So here, previously we saw that we were actually on level 2, when level badges numbers was 3. Our points system was actually around 400 and something, right? But now we're actually level 4, 3 badges, 845 points, right? With that being said, we've smashed our actual weekly saver. Our daily log is still gonna remain at 1/7 days until obviously log into, oh no, oh. Yes, sir. So this is what happens. My PC is not flat. So this is what actually happens. Your remote desktop session services has ended. The remote computer is shutting down. This is just what's getting in the way of us recording our video. But as you can see, if I say okay, sir, literally my PC is up and running. But it's the virtual machine. Thank you.